Tragedy at the beach. The dangers of ignoring water safety. In remembrance of those lost in water-related accidents, this video is designed to promote awareness of water safety. The following section discusses a distressing incident involving a young boy who drowned at the beach. If you are sensitive to such content, we advise you to skip ahead. Tragedy struck on what should have been a day of celebration. It was Father's Day, a family picnic at Adelaide Beach, filled with laughter and joy. But in an instant, that joy turned into a nightmare. A 16-year-old boy, full of life and excitement, was swept away by the powerful ocean currents right before the eyes of his family and friends. His younger brother captured the moment on camera, unaware that it would be the last time they would ever see him. Days passed. An extensive search covered miles of coastline, but hope faded with each passing hour. After days of searching with no sign of him, the official search was called off. Still, his family and friends returned to the coastline every day, waiting for any sign, holding on to the faint hope of discovery. A single moment of joy, captured in a photograph. A fleeting second, unaware of the lurking dangers beneath the water's surface. That was all it took to alter a family's life forever. He had been cautioned, his family's voices pleading for him to return to safety. The ominous weather, the turbulent waves, they all signaled danger, but he chose to ignore them. Little did he know, unseen currents lay in wait, ready to pull him away. His life was tragically lost, and his family's sorrow will echo through the years. It was all about a photo. A simple photo meant to be a cherished memory, transformed into a symbol of profound grief. Please share in the comments below what mistakes were made. First, he disregarded his family's urgent calls to return to safety. The collective mistake was venturing to the beach on a perilous day. What do you believe the other mistakes were? Stories like this serve as a heart-wrenching reminder of water's immense power. Beaches, rivers, lakes, these serene places can become treacherous in an instant. We often overlook safety, oblivious to the silent threats around us, rip currents, hidden depths, slippery rocks, and sudden waves. And it's not just the ocean. Rivers, pools, lakes, they all harbor dangers that many underestimate. One misstep can mean the difference between life and death. Water safety transcends the ability to swim. It's about awareness, understanding the risks, and exercising caution. When near water, think before you act. Look for warning signs, swim in designated areas, and never underestimate nature's strength. Don't assume you're safe just because you're close to shore. Don't believe a quick photo or a moment of fun can't turn deadly. For that 16-year-old boy, there was no second chance. His family will bear that grief forever. The lesson here is one we must all hold dear. No picture is worth a life. No thrill is worth the risk of losing everything. So the next time you're by the water, think of him. Think of his family. And remember, safety comes first, because tragedy can strike when you least expect it. Before you act, take a moment to remind yourself, your loved ones are waiting for you. They cherish you, they need you, and nothing is worth risking that bond. No thrill or moment of excitement can replace the warmth of coming home to those who care about you. Stay safe for them and for yourself. Water safety is paramount. This tragedy should never have happened, and it should never happen to anyone. This heartbreaking event serves as a poignant reminder. Water, no matter how inviting, can be perilous if we're not vigilant. He is not alone. In 2024, over 300,000 people worldwide lost their lives to drowning. From beaches to rivers, even small bodies of water hold deadly dangers. Australia alone saw 323 drownings this year, a 16% increase from the past decade. Children, the elderly, and even the strongest swimmers are at risk. Drowning doesn't discriminate. It can happen to anyone, anywhere. Water may seem calm, but hidden currents, slippery surfaces, and deep waters are all silent killers. Remember, drowning is fast and often silent. Teaching water safety and swimming skills, paying attention to warning signs, and being aware of risks can save lives. But tragedies like this can be prevented. Today, we're going to show you how to stay safe, not just at the beach, but in any water environment, from rivers and lakes to waterfalls and dams. Let's embark on this journey together. Whether you're at the beach, river, or exploring waterfalls, slippery surfaces are a common hazard. Rocks, algae, wet mud, and moss can make these areas incredibly dangerous. Wear shoes with good grip to avoid slipping on wet or uneven surfaces. Take your time. Don't rush, jump, or run in areas where the ground is unstable or wet. Always be on the lookout for hidden dangers beneath the water's surface. Uneven terrain, sharp rocks, and sudden drop-offs can pose serious risks. Imagine the pain of a sudden fall, the shock of an unexpected injury. Stay vigilant, stay safe. By being aware of these hazards and taking the right precautions, you can enjoy the beauty of natural water environments safely. Even when the water looks calm, unseen threats can be lurking just below the surface. Hidden rocks, tree roots, or debris can cause serious injuries if you're not cautious. Always inspect the water before entering. Look for rocks, tree branches, or anything that could pose a threat. Avoid diving into unknown waters. Shallow areas or hidden objects could spell disaster. By staying vigilant and taking these extra precautions, you can prevent accidents and enjoy your water adventures safely. Remember, caution ensures fun for everyone. Stay tuned for more tips on water safety. Tides and currents don't just exist at the beach. Rivers, dams, and even underground caves can have strong currents or surges that are hard to predict. Waves in lakes and oceans can knock you off balance or sweep you away. Never turn your back to the ocean, river, or any body of water with strong currents. Rogue waves or sudden surges can occur without warning. Stay away from areas near dams and waterfalls where water flow is strong and unpredictable. By understanding and respecting the power of tides, waves, and currents, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from unexpected dangers. Always stay alert and keep safety as your top priority. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. One of the most important things to remember when you're at the beach, especially around rocks, is how quickly water levels can rise with the tides. What seems like a safe, dry area can be covered in water within minutes as the tide comes in. Rising water can quickly trap you on rocks, isolated patches of the beach, or even in caves. Always check the local tide schedule. High tide can sneak up on you, so be aware of when the water will start rising. Use apps like Tide Charts or MyTide to stay informed. Feel the power of nature, respect its force. Your awareness can save lives. When you're at the beach, your safety is always a top priority. Lifeguards, warning flags, and beach signs are there for a reason. Always follow these guidelines to avoid dangerous situations. Trust in the guardians of the water. They are trained to keep you safe. Pay attention to warning flags and beach signs. They're there to inform you of hazards like strong currents, dangerous wildlife, or water quality issues. Never swim where there is no lifeguard on duty, and don't swim alone. Always have a buddy with you in case of emergencies. By following these essential tips, you can ensure a fun and safe day at the beach. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to avoiding potential dangers. Enjoy the water responsibly and always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. Stay tuned for more water safety tips. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Whether at the beach, lake, or river, nature can present hidden dangers like falling rocks, slippery mud, or even wildlife. Stay alert, stay alive. Avoid standing or walking beneath cliffs or waterfalls where rocks could fall unexpectedly. Watch out for dangerous animals like alligators in swamps or jellyfish in the ocean. Nature is beautiful, but unpredictable. Stay informed about the local wildlife and natural hazards to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Remember, respecting nature's power and unpredictability is a crucial part of staying safe. Always err on the side of caution and prioritize your safety and the safety of those with you. When we think of water safety, oceans, rivers, and lakes come to mind, but still waters run deep with unseen perils. Stagnant water may look calm, but beneath the surface, risks lurk. Muddy bottoms can trap your feet, making it hard to pull them out. Underwater plants can wrap around your legs, making movement difficult. This dense growth can be life-threatening in deeper water. Algae makes surfaces slippery, increasing the risk of falls. One wrong step could send you slipping into the water. Stagnant ponds can have sudden drop-offs, making them dangerous. Decomposing material creates a thick layer that can trap your feet. In murky water, these hazards are hard to see. Use a stick to test the ground before stepping in. Avoid entering stagnant water unless necessary. Always be cautious. Remember, Even calm waters can hide serious dangers. Protect yourself, protect your loved ones. Stagnant water often contains harmful bacteria or parasites. Avoid contact. These areas are breeding grounds for mosquitoes, which can carry diseases. The allure of frozen beauty hides treacherous dangers beneath the surface. Thin ice is deceptive. It can appear solid but may be dangerously weak in spots. Ice thickness varies. Even solid-looking ice can crack or collapse under your weight. Slipping on ice is common. It can be incredibly slick, especially with snow or sudden temperature changes. Falls often lead to sprains, broken bones, or concussions. Even a small patch of ice can cause serious injury. Falling through ice is perilous. Freezing water can immobilize you within minutes. Hypothermia sets in fast, impairing your ability to think or move. Ice can crack without warning, especially under pressure or rapid temperature changes. Once ice starts to crack, it can collapse quickly, creating a dangerous situation. Hidden currents under ice weaken it, increasing the risk of falling through. Moving water beneath ice creates weak spots that are hard to detect. These currents weaken the ice from below, even if it looks thick on the surface. Stay safe by taking precautions. Wear proper footwear like ice cleats to prevent slipping. Avoid areas with moving water, as ice is thinner there. Test the ice thickness before venturing out. Watch for visible cracks, slushy areas, or air bubbles. Never go alone. Bring a buddy and carry ice picks and rope. Avoid nighttime activities. Ice is harder to assess in the dark. If you fall in, stay calm, control your breathing, and kick to stay horizontal while pulling yourself out. Follow these guidelines to reduce your risk on ice-covered water. Always be prepared. Carry ice picks and a rope and let someone know where you are. Knowing how to react if you fall through the ice can save your life. Respect the ice. Stay informed, take precautions, and be prepared. Enjoy winter activities safely by respecting the dangers of ice-covered water. Stay safe, stay cautious, and respect the ice. Swimming pools are fantastic for fun and exercise, but they can be deadly if not handled with care. Slips are common. Wet surfaces can lead to falls and injuries. Always walk, never run, and wear non-slip footwear. Hot weather or long swims can cause dizziness. If you feel lightheaded, take a break, hydrate, and rest. Diving can be thrilling but risky. Ensure the pool is at least 9 feet deep. Always jump or dive feet first when unsure. Avoid roughhousing. Pushing or holding others underwater is dangerous. Respect others and follow pool rules. Children are especially vulnerable. Drowning can happen in seconds. Always supervise kids and use flotation devices if needed. Teach kids to swim early. Swimming lessons build confidence and safety. Know pool depths. Stay in the shallow end if you're not a strong swimmer. Respect pool boundaries. Pool drains can trap hair or clothing. Keep clear and ensure drains are covered. Teach kids to avoid them. Learn CPR and have a first aid kit nearby. Be prepared for emergencies. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause dizziness or cramps. Avoid alcohol as it impairs judgment and coordination. Enjoy the pool safely. Supervise, secure, and swim smart. Make your pool time fun and safe. Floodwaters are relentless and unforgiving, but with the right knowledge, you can stay safe. Just 6 inches of moving water can knock you off your feet, and 2 feet can sweep away cars. Don't underestimate the power of water. Floods carry debris, rocks, branches, and other objects that can break bones, cause injury, or even trap you underwater. Water moves fast. It can erode the ground beneath your feet or under your car tires, causing you to lose balance or control. Never risk walking or driving through a flood. Don't fool yourself, and don't encourage others to take risks either. Stay away from floodwaters. Turn around, don't drown. Your life is worth more than the risk. Always stay informed about weather conditions. Have an emergency plan and act swiftly. Together, we can overcome any challenge nature throws our way. When you're near water, excitement can lead to bad decisions. But don't get caught up in the moment. Don't do crazy things or ask others to take unnecessary risks. Never encourage risky behavior, and don't fool yourself or someone else into doing something dangerous. Don't fool yourself into thinking it won't happen to me. Accidents happen when we underestimate risks. Never encourage others to do reckless activities, like jumping off rocks or diving into unknown waters. Remember, thrills are fleeting, but the consequences can last a lifetime. Choose safety, choose life. Your safety and the safety of others should always come first. Think smart, act wisely, and stay safe. Remember, It's better to be safe than sorry. Embrace responsible actions and inspire others to do the same. Let's create a safer environment for everyone. Whether you're at the beach, river, lake, or waterfall, safety should always come first. By understanding the risks, staying alert, and following guidelines, you can enjoy your time around water without putting yourself or others in danger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your water safety tips in the comments below. Please share this video to remind others of the dangers of water and how to stay safe. It could save a life or protect someone's loved ones. Water is life, but it demands respect. Stay aware, stay prepared, and enjoy the beauty of water safely. Let's make every splash a safe one. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and cherish every moment by the water. See you next time.